Hello, I'm Marcia Roscoe, Executive Chef of the Dome Restaurant Bar and Lounge here in Coral Gables. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to perfectly sear jumbo scallops. Now, I'm going to try to do it as perfectly as possible, but one of the first things you want to do is definitely you want to start off with these beautiful jumbo U10 scallops. Usually means that you get about 10 scallops per pound. And as you can see, they're really fresh. The mussels have been removed and they're ready to be seared. The first thing that you want to do when you're searing scallops is you have to get your pan hot. Okay, it's very important. Hot pan, hot oil produces a beautifully seared scallop. And I like to use extra virgin olive oil. Allowing our pan to get hot, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start seasoning my scallops. So definitely want to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, I see some smoke in the pan. You hear that sound? That's exactly what you're looking for when you're going to sear something. Now you notice what I did was I kind of tilted the pan a little further away from me because since scallops do produce moisture, I just want to make sure I didn't get anything splashing back at me. And now since I put them down, I'm going to season the other end to make sure that they've been seasoned on both sides. Again, you want to make sure that you're seasoning everything completely on both sides to make sure you've got really nice flavor. So the one thing that you want to do when you're searing something is leave it alone. Just let it sit there and develop that caramelization process. If you move it too quickly, you're not going to get a perfect color on it, and that's what we're trying to achieve. I'm going to turn them around. As you can see, we've got some beautiful, beautiful color on these scallops, and that's because of the high heat that we started cooking them on. Scallops don't take that long to cook. It is seafood, and it's not very heavy with muscle tissue or sinew, so it cooks very quickly. So you probably only need about a couple of minutes on each side to cook them to a perfect medium rare. One of the things that I like to do with scallops, especially in the summertime, is I love to serve them with a light salad. I've just prepared a really light salad with some arugula. It's tossed in a homemade lemon vinaigrette. As you can see, our scallops are pretty firm, so they're pretty much done. And I'm just going to take them right off the flame and put them right onto this plate. Oh, doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? I just love looking at this beautiful brown color. Well, here you go. We've got perfectly seared jumbo scallops served with a lightly tossed arugula salad in a lemon vinaigrette. My name is Marcia Roscoe. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you soon.